Okay, this is what the second pack here from our Shining Faith. Trying to find, I guess, a rare card. We've already got the Charizard, but we're still trying to find some really good cards here. Let me know what your favorite cards are from this deck. From the front, it's always a white card with Shining Faith. Okay, let's see what we get here. I actually got really good pulls. And guys, we're also looking for more subscribers too, so you guys can hit that red subscribe button right at the bottom there. Ooh, look at that. I actually gotten a lot of double pulls from Shining Faith. We actually have a lot of these.